Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can fix the iPhone personal hotspot not showing up. So let's get started. For that, first of all, check your carrier settings update. Open up settings, tap on general, tap on about, and if a pop-up appears asking to update your carrier settings, tap on update. This alone can bring back the missing personal hotspot for a lot of people. After that, remove and reinsert your SIM card. Take out your SIM card, wait a few seconds, and put it back on. Once your phone reconnects to your carrier, check if the personal hotspot option appears in your settings. If it's still missing, inside settings, tap on General, scroll below, tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone, then tap on Reset. Select Reset Network Settings, and your phone will restart. This often stores the hotspot menu immediately. After that, inside settings, look for the option that says cellular, tap onto it, and after that, select your SIM. Turn the line off, wait a few seconds, and then turn it back again. This forces your iPhone to reload network feature including hotspot. If you don't see cellular data network or mobile data network right over here, then this means that your carrier does not allow manual APN editing. In that case, contact your carrier and ask them to enable personal hotspot on your plan or refresh your APN settings. That's it. Once they do, the option will appear instantly. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, leave a like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.